I love this contrast between the masculine chain and the feminine pearl. Just really, really beautiful. When it comes to fashion, for me there are no rules, only different points of view. And the more we age, the more comments like, should you be wearing this or that, we hear. Isn't that true? So, here are 6 style key rules that I like to break, and I think you should too. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandra and I make videos about fashion and style. So, let's get on to the 6 style rules that we should all ditch right now. The first one, your belt, bag and shoes need to match. This is absolutely not true, and I think a lot of people don't really do it anymore. It's a traditional rule, but nothing needs to match in terms of our accessories. As you can see here, we've got the 10 bag, the 10 belt and the 10 shoes, and all feels a little bit contrived, a little bit too done. And although it doesn't look bad at all, I don't think it's necessary to match all 3 items in your outfit. Because talking about our creativity and our personal style, doing an all-matching look kind of takes away of that creativity. So what I would do instead is match just 2 pieces together. And an alternative way is by swapping out the belt, but it doesn't have to be the belt. You could swap the bag or the shoes. This just takes away from that all matchy-matchy look, but still feel cohesive. The fact that they're not all matching just makes it feel a little bit more interesting and shows your style personality. And before we move on to the next, I think I just take a second and ask if you could hit the subscribe button whilst I've got you here. It would really be very much appreciated as we climb to 12,000 of us. Isn't that amazing? Thank you so much. Okay, this next is probably my biggest bugbear out of all of them. Maybe together with the next one. And that is the rule or idea that we need to save our special pieces for special occasions. I'm also guilty, as most of the time I think I might be ruining the clothes by wearing them. But what's the purpose of clothing? Is it to be closed in our wardrobes? Only to be admired? No. This is one of my 2024 resolutions. Wearing all my clothes, put on my jewelry, wear my bags, wear all my shoes. So, wear your clothes, put on your jewelry, don't save it for a special occasion. We need to make today special, otherwise we will be living in the past or for the future, and when we realize life has just passed. And isn't that the joy of fashion? To just get dressed every day for ourselves and wear something that makes us happy and elevate our self-esteem. I have this pearl necklace that I've received from my family to wear on my wedding day, but I hardly wear it because I just think, shouldn't I save it for something special? But now I will be wearing it. Pearls are a huge trend this year, and this necklace will be the icing on the cake for my outfits. And the same goes for this new bracelet that biwako kindly sent me. So this bracelet is made in black sterling silver and it comes with an adjustable chain for a perfect fit. It has a freshwater baroque form pearl known as shiratama, which means white jade. And just a quick disclaimer, this is not sponsored, but biwako did send me this bracelet, and actually I couldn't be happier. Biwako is a pearl jewelry brand from Japan, and the name biwako means Lake Biwa, which is known as the birthplace of freshwater pearl farming. This bracelet was specially designed for Valentine's Day, and as the day is very close, I thought you would love to know more, because I do think this bracelet is a suitable gift for the loved ones and of course yourself. So, if you love this bracelet, I do have a discount code for you. I will pop it on the screen. Just use Sandra15 for 15% off your entire order. Also, you need to check Biwako's website as they have other gorgeous pieces. I've been wearing this bracelet quite a lot since it arrived. Actually, I find that this black chain is a more modern design than the traditional gold or silver. This more masculine black chain contrasts in the perfect way with the extremely feminine white pearl. This is just what I love in my personal style, and this bracelet complements it in perfection. So I will definitely be wearing all my jewelry every day, even with a more casual outfit. Even with a simple pair of denim jeans, not only do they elevate an everyday outfit, but also I can feel more determined and powerful when I wear statement jewelry. Now listen to this one. We should dress our age. I think that together with the previous rule, this might be my favorite rule to break. How many times have we heard this one? I'm in my 50s and I've heard it a lot. I think many of these preconceived notions come from misogyny, and even worse, most of the time they come from another woman. Why? Why do we have to be like that to each other? The idea that a useful woman should and can wear an outfit that shows her skin, but an older woman should wear something to cover herself. These are all patriarchal constructs that mean absolutely nothing, and we cannot accept them. We all, in a more or less way, once had this idea in our heads, fruit of the education we had, and some at 30, others at 40 or 50 thought, I should start dressing for my age. Isn't that true? But this cannot go on. But to me, the more I evolved my personal style, the more I realized just how baseless those ideas were. Clothes don't come with an age tag attached. So I encourage you to dress how you want. Dress what makes you feel happy, what makes you feel good. Wear mini, midi, maxi skirts. The choice is yours. It's totally personal. Moving on to number 4, don't wear white trousers in fall and winter. There's even this popular saying that no white pants after Labor Day. And in Portuguese we have calças brancas em janeiro é sinal de pouco dinheiro. That translates something like white pants in January means you are short of money. I just got to laugh. This is pretty much the worst advice ever. That certain colors are exclusively for certain seasons. Wearing white during fall and winter is such a great way to lift an outfit when it's all doom and gloom outside. Wearing light colors can just really lift our mood, besides being an easy way to look effortlessly chic and elegant. You can go monochromatic for that really clean and simple look, like I've done here. In fashion, we do not limit colors to seasons anymore, so wear whatever color you want. We are moving on to style rule number 5 that we all are going to ditch. Yet, in this old-fashioned color series, there was this one. Never pair black with navy or black with brown. But in Portugal, we still had another forbidden color combo, as I grew up hearing my mother say that she would never wear green with blue. Green and blue are analogous colors in the color wheel, and so combining the two in an outfit can result in a really harmonious look. Likewise, brown and black together can make a really sophisticated outfit. In the same way, wearing navy and black make an elevated, chic look. But this is not a color theory video, because there is a lot to say about this subject, and I already did one video talking about how to combine different colors to get sophisticated, expensive outfits. You will have the direct link to it in the end of this video, and I will leave the link in the description box as well, in case you want to watch it after. And last but not least, number 6. You need a capsule wardrobe with specific pieces. Specific pieces with certain number of pieces. Many times the idea of a capsule wardrobe is associated with having only lots of neutrals and certain pieces. However, these might not work for everyone. In fact, the idea of making a capsule wardrobe should be totally personal and be adapted to each one of us. That is, you should have the pieces that you will wear, that you like and fit your personal style, your lifestyle. For instance, if you love colors, they should be included in your capsule wardrobe. The idea that we must have only neutrals as they are easy to combine is completely untrue and baseless. Bright and bold colors can also be combined together and make really good outfits. In the same way, if you don't wear blazers, there's no point in having this piece in your capsule wardrobe. I mentioned a blazer, but the same applies for varied pieces. Following someone's guide can be a mistake because you will end up with a capsule wardrobe that doesn't work for you. Remember, capsule wardrobe is a really personal thing. I will definitely be doing a video on this topic, but I will provide you all the information you need so that you know how to build your personal capsule wardrobe. Would you like me to do this video? Please let me know in the comments. I love this sentence. Personal style is personal, which is why tools, not rules, has become my mantra. And with this inspiring phrase, we finish today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it and that it can be helpful in any way. If you love my biwako bracelet and want to check their website for more, don't forget to use my discount code Sandra15 for 15% off your entire order. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. And if you want to continue watching my videos, you have this one here where I style and talk about the best color combinations. You will find lots of outfit inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye bye.